One of my particular joys at the clinic is to really empower women to be motivated and improve their own health as much as they can. It's really fun to help steer women through their pregnancies and help them with the delivery, witness the miracle of birth. I enjoy the surgical aspect as much as anything. I particularly like minimally invasive surgery, dealing with hysterectomies that maybe require a little bit extra work. Prolapse is another area that I really enjoy. It can be hard for people to talk about it, but in the end, it really keeps them active and enjoying life to the fullest. Patients can expect that I'm going to listen to their concerns and that I'm going to help them meet their goals. It's also really rewarding to follow women through the years and see them back from year to year and help them just with their general health and fitness.